Ever heard of Google Translate? I'm sure you have made use of it when you want to find out what that line meant from that Korean drama you just watched. Or that striking sentence your favorite character said from a Spanish show? Well, how about I tell you that you can actually make hundreds if not thousands of dollars using that service for free. Yep, you heard it right, you can actually make a lot of money by using Google Translator no matter where you are in the world. You don't even need any prior experience or any skill for you to accomplish this, because this is perfectly ideal for beginners with no experience at all. What's even greater about this is that you don't need to spend a single penny because this method is absolutely free with no investments. No payments, no anything, just yourself, your device, and your trusty internet connection. And you can make up to thousands of dollars with this brand new method that I'm going to teach you. Just a little overview, you can get up to thousands of dollars with more and more files that you translate, since the income directly corresponds to the amount of files you have translated. And just when you think it's over, it actually gets better because you can repeat this process as many times as you want, making your income limitless. Keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis, so make sure you finish watching the video. Like and comment down below, it will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. For today's video, I am going to show you all the steps needed so that you can make the most out of Google Translate and actually generate a lot of money using any device that you want to use, be it your phone or your laptop. All you have to do is pay close attention to everything I'm saying and make sure to stay with me until the end of this video. Never skip ahead, because if you do, you may miss out on a lot of things that are really important. First and foremost, I want you to visit the website called ladium.org, and we're going into this together. I will teach you everything that you need to know so that you can earn money online easily. Now, to give you a little something to motivate you. You can actually earn huge amounts of money with this website, as shown right here as you browse their projects. When you visit their homepage, you can actually find out what the Ladium is if you're not familiar with it. Ladium is a marketplace for freelancers and employers of the new gig economy. You can work or hire on Ladium in 3 ways. The 3 ways are these right here. First, purchase service, second, receive bids, and third, hire instantly. You can feel free to navigate through the homepage and find out everything you need to know, because everything is laid out for you. Suffice your curiosity and interest with this information presented openly and transparently. Anyway, for now I'm going to show you how exactly lithium.org works. First step is to browse projects and submit a bid, or simply select an instant hire project for you to start working on as fast as possible. Second, you are going to complete the project according to the employer's specification, and then submit your work through the Ladium contract management system. And with those easy and short 2 steps, you can get paid once your work is reviewed and approved with actual real money. Everything just seems so simple, right? So what do you say? Are you ready to join and earn some money? All you have to do is go to the home page and click on this button right here that says I want to work. After that, you will be taken to this page where you will input your email address. Subsequently, you will then be asked to type in your basic information and profile, such as your username, first name, last name, and password. Keep in mind these password specifications, and then just confirm your password by retyping it here. And finally, hit the sign up button to signify completion. It's actually really inspiring, because when you sign up successfully, Lithium will reward you with the free $1. As their congratulations for your registration, just go to your email inbox and locate Lithium's email, and then activate your account following the instructions given to you. And that's probably how you got to earn the easiest $1 in your life. Now that you have successfully activated your account, I want you to log into your account and navigate through the webpage to explore projects. With this button right here, click it and you will be redirected to this page, where you can discover a very wide array of projects for you to work with. That's a lot of projects, right? And maybe it can get overwhelming, especially with beginners who absolutely have no experience or any technical skills at all. So you may be confused as to which project is the best to pursue. Let me tell you this. You totally don't need any type of experience and any type of skill, because as I said before, this is absolutely ideal for beginners like you and me. With all these project categories, I want you to focus on translation and languages, and that's how you're going to earn money online. When you click on this section, you get to find these insane amounts of projects that you can work on and get a lot of money in return. For example, you're going to choose this project where you will be asked to translate Spanish to English or vice versa, and you can actually see the budget for this, which tells you an estimate of how much you're going to earn. And for this project, you will earn $100 to $150. Just simply click on any projects listed, then complete the task fully. And just like that, you get to earn your money just by doing something that's really not that hard. You can choose to claim your money using various payment methods such as PayPal or bank transfer, among many other methods indicated in the website. So now you have everything you need: your PayPal account, your chosen project. So you're probably asking, how on earth am I able to earn money when I don't know how to speak Spanish at all? Well, that's easy, because you have your secret weapon with you, Google Translate. Basically, Google Translate will perform all of the work for you by directly translating the original text to English, or to any language that the employer has asked for. How to do this, you may ask. First, I want you to type in Google Translate on your search bar, and the system is absolutely so simple. On the left, you are going to input the original text with the language to be translated. And on the right, this is where the new text will come up as a translated version with a language needed to be translated in. As you can see, this interface is kind of small to work with, and you're going to be translating long text. So here's a tip. Go to translate.google.com, where everything is so much larger, making everything easy to work with. And with that said, let's get down to business. Now, I want you to head on to the original text and simply just copy everything. Second, go to translate.google.com and paste the entire text on the left side, and Google will automatically detect what language it is, or you can also choose to manually input the language it belongs to. As you paste that on the left side, an automated text will conjure on the right side, and there you have it. That's a translated version of the text already. Now that you have the translated version, just copy the text again and paste it on a new document, and that was just it. To sum up, all you need to do is just pick out the project to work on, copy the original text, paste it on Google Translate. Copy the translated text, paste it on a new document, and submit it to your employer. All it needed was your device and your internet connection. And the best part about this is that you can repeat this over and over again to max out the income possibilities that you can achieve. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, you are going to want to watch one of these two videos right here. Have a nice time.